Your budget isn't working. Here are 10 reasons why and how to fix them. No. 1. You aren't actually tracking your spending. You're just looking at your bank statements and categorizing your expenses. The problem with this is that it's too easy to miss things like one-time fees or to forget about expenses that you pay for in cash or by check. Instead, use an app like Mint, Personal Capital, or Rocket Money to track all of your expenses automatically. Or if you prefer, you can also use a spreadsheet. Just copy and paste your bank and credit card statements into it and categorize your expenses. No. 2. You don't have a set amount of time to review your spending each month. If you leave it too long between when you look at your budget and when you actually take action on it, you'll be much less likely to follow it. The solution is to block out time on your calendar each month to review your budget and make any necessary adjustments. And if you want to make it easier on yourself, you can also do this quarterly or even semi-annually. No. 3. You aren't including all of your income in your budget. If you have multiple sources of income, make sure you include all of them in your budget. Otherwise, you'll overestimate how much money you have to spend. This is especially important if you have a side hustle or if you receive money from other sources like dividends or interest. Number 4, you aren't using a budgeting method that works for you. There are a ton of different budgeting methods out there, so if you're struggling with one, try a different one. For example, if you're using the 50-30-20ths method but it's not working for you, try something else like the zero-based budget. No. 5. You haven't given your budget enough time to work. It takes time for a new budget to become a habit. So if you've only been following your budget for a few weeks or months, don't expect it to be perfect right away. Give it some time and stick with it. No. 6. Your budget is too restrictive. If your budget is too restrictive, you're more likely to give up on it. So make sure you give yourself some wiggle room. Allow yourself to spend a little bit more in some categories if you need to. Number 7, you're not being honest with yourself about your spending. If you're trying to budget but you keep lying to yourself about how much you're spending, it's not going to work. You need to be honest with yourself in order for your budget to succeed. No. 8. You're not taking advantage of all of the free resources available to you. There are tons of free resources available to help you budget and stick to your budget. Use them. There are tons of budgeting apps, websites, and even books that can help you get started. No. 9. You aren't setting financial goals. If you don't have any financial goals, it's hard to create a budget that will help you achieve them. So take some time to think about what you want to achieve financially, and then create a budget that will help you get there. And number 10, you're not actually following your budget. This may seem obvious, but it's important to remember that creating a budget is only the first step. You actually have to follow it in order for it to be successful. So there you go. Those are 10 reasons why your budget isn't working and how to fix them. Good luck, and I hope you're able to get your budget on track. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.